Good morning, students. Now today we will continue with the exercise 3.3, question number 7. In question number 7, you have to prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. You have to prove this one. So take LHS. So let us start the solution. LHS, we are taking left hand side, that is tan of pi by 4 plus x upon tan of pi by 4 minus x. Now students, yesterday I told you the formula tan A plus B. What is the formula of tan A plus B? That is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. And similarly tan A minus tan B is tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So we will use these two formulas here. That is first here tan A plus B. What is tan A plus B? I am writing here. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. And similarly, if in denominator tan A minus B, then tan A minus tan B upon then 1 plus tan A into tan B will come. So we will apply this formula here. So it will come tan A tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan A, that is pi by 4 into tan x, and in denominator it will come tan A minus B, so it will come tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So after that it will come, after this step it will come, what is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4, that is 45 degree, and that is equal to 1, so it will come 1 plus tan x upon, and here 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan x, so it will come tan x whole divided by s equal to sign here, that is 1 tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan x, so 1 plus tan x. Now students, after that we will reciprocate this term, so it will come 1 plus tan x upon this term numerator 1 minus tan x as it is. Now in denominator that will reciprocate, so it will come 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. Is it clear? Means this term as it is and reciprocate this term. After that multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it will come 1 plus tan x whole square upon 1 minus tan x whole square. So we can write this term as, this is x here, tan x. So it will come 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. And that is equal to right hand side. So hence this question is proved. Is it clear? Now after that we will start the next one question. Next question is, prove that, question number 8, prove that cos pi plus x, cos of pi plus x plus cos of minus x, and in denominator what is given, that is sign here not minus into in question, and sine of pi minus x, sine of pi minus x First quadrant is 0 to 90, second quadrant is 90 to 180, and third is 180 to 270 and 270 to 360, that is 4. Now, yesterday I told you this cos of minus x. What is the value of cos of minus x? That is cos x. We will use this term. So let us start the solution. Take left hand side. In left hand side, cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x upon sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. Now it is given in the question sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. Now students, we will use this, we know that first of all we will write the terms cos of pi plus x. What is the meaning of this cos of pi plus x? It means it is saying cos of 180 plus x, cos of 180 plus theta. It means there in second quadrant up to 180, then 180 plus theta, so it is in third quadrant. And you know that in third quadrant the cos is negative, because in first quadrant all positive, in second quadrant sin and cosec positive, and in third quadrant tan and cot positive, rest are negative. So cos is negative in third quadrant, so it will become minus cos 180 plus theta, it is going in third quadrant, so it will become cos of x. After that, cos sin of this one pi minus x. Sin of pi minus x, it means it is in the second quadrant, because 0 to 90 first quadrant, 90 to 180 second. Now it is 180 minus x, so second quadrant, and you know that in second quadrant sin is positive, so it will become sin x. And after that, cos of minus x. What is the value of cos of minus x? That is equal to cos x. Yesterday I told you these things. Now cos of 90 plus x, you know that 180 and 360, it will not change, the trigonometric function will not change, but in 90 it will change. So cos of 90 plus x, pi by 2 plus x, it will come sin x. Sin x, cos of 90 plus x, that is sin x. Now we will put the value here. The value of this term is, now this sin of 90 plus x, 0 to 90 first quadrant, so 90 plus something, so it is going in second quadrant, this cos is negative, so it will come minus sin x. So after that we will put the value here. Now in LHS, what will come here? What is the value of cos pi plus x? That is minus cos x into what is the value of cos of minus x? That is cos x upon what is the value of sin 180 minus x? That is sin x. And what is the value of cos 90 plus x? That is minus sin x, because 180 plus 90 plus theta second quadrant, in second quadrant cos is negative. So minus sin x. After that, minus cos square x upon minus sin square x. So minus minus cancel. You know that what is the value of cos square x upon sin square x? That is cot square x, and that is equal to right hand side. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So this is the solution of question number 8. Now we will solve the next question, question number 9. Now students, come to the question number 9. In question number 9, you have to prove that cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x bracket cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. You have to prove this term is equal to 1. Now students, we have to check first the quadrant. In quadrant, what is the value of this one? Let us start the solution. Now cos of 3 3 pi by 2 plus x. What is the meaning of 3 pi by 2 plus x? That is 3 pi means 180. 3 into 180 upon 2, that is 270. So it is the value of cos of 270 degree plus x. Means this is in the radian and you can convert 3 into 180 upon 2, that is 540 upon 2, and that is coming here 270 plus x. Now cos of 270 plus x means it is going in the fourth quadrant, because third quadrant is up to 270, 270 to 360 is fourth quadrant. So 270 plus angle theta x. So it is going in fourth quadrant, and you know that fourth quadrant cos is positive because all sugar, add sugar to coffee. So cos and sec is positive in fourth quadrant. So here it will come positive, and 270, you know that in 90 and 270 the trigonometric function will change. So cos change into sine, that is sin x. After that this term cos of 2 pi plus x. What is the meaning of 2 pi? This 180 into 2. Cos of 360 plus x. 360 plus x means it is going on the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric function are positive, so it will come positive cos of x. You know that in 360 the trigonometric function will not change, so it will come cos x. After that we will find out the value of this one, cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x. Now you know that what is the value of 3 pi by 2? That is 270. The value of cot of 270 degree minus x. Now this is in which quadrant? This is in the third quadrant, and 270 the trigonometric function will cot change into tan. You know that sine change into cos, cos change into sine, cot change into tan, and tan change into cot. So cot 270 minus x is equal to positive because it is in the third quadrant, tan x. Now this value is also coming here. After that we will find out the value of this one. So it will come cot of 2 pi plus x. So cot of 2 pi plus x means 360 plus x, and cot 360 plus x, in 360 value will not change. So it will come cot x because it is going in the first quadrant. After that we will put the values here. Take left hand side. Now left hand side you have to prove this term is equal to 1. So after that I am writing here LHS. Now what is LHS? That is cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x into bracket cot of 3 pi by 2, I am writing the left hand side, minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x. This is the left hand side, that is cot of 2 pi plus x, this one. Now after that it will come, now what is the value of cos 3 pi by 2 plus x? That is sin x into what is the value of cos 2 pi plus x? You can see the value here to cos x. After that bracket, what is the value of cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x? That is tan x, and plus what is the value of cos 2 pi plus x? That is cot x. Now after that I am writing here, after using these values, putting these values, left hand side is coming here, sin x into cos x is equal to tan x plus cot x. Now after putting the value, this term is coming here. Now students, we have to prove here 1. So sin x into cos x. Now after that we can change this sin tan x. You know that the value of tan x is sin x upon cos x, and plus what is the value of cot x? right hand side. Now hence proved. Now question number 9 is proved. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Now students, in question number 10, prove that sine of n plus 1 into x into sine of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x. You have to prove this left hand side is equal to right hand side and right hand side is equal to cos x. Now student, you can see here this is the formula of cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. You know the formula. What is the formula of cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B? That is cos of A minus B. If here plus, then cos of A minus B. If cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, that is cos of A minus B. So we will use this formula in question number 10. We know that first of all write LHS left hand side. So sine of n plus 1 into x into sine of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x. Now we will use the formula. We know that entity. We know that is cos of A into cos B plus sin A into sin B, that is equal to cos of A plus B. This is the formula. We will use this formula here. Now you can see here cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So let A as a this one n plus 2 into x. You can take any term as a or B. N plus 2 into x as a and B as a n plus 1 into x. So what will come here? According to this, it will come cos of A plus B. Now what is here? N plus 2 minus plus n plus 1 into x. I am writing this. N is outside. The formula is here cos A. Here cos A minus B. Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So it will come here minus. If here minus, then it will come here plus. So here plus is there. So cos A minus B. So after that it will come cos of, open the bracket, n plus 2 minus n minus 1 into x. Now n cancel. What is left here? 2 minus 1 1. So it is coming here cos x, and that is equal to right hand side. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this question 10th is verified. That is equal to cos x.